Hi everyone! For today's video, I am going to share to you 5 super fun facts about me. So for the first one, I'm a big Potterhead. Pero madami nagsasabi na hindi ka daw certified Potterhead kung hindi mo pa napanood lahat ng movies at saka hindi mo pa nabasa lahat ng mga novels. So I'm a half-blooded Potterhead, pwede nating sabihin, kasi hindi pa ako nakapagbasa ng lahat ng libro. Kasi isa yun sa dream ko na bumili nung parang box na binibenta sa National Bookstore ata. Tapos nandun yung mga hardbound na mga Harry Potter books. So kapag nabili ko na siya at nabasa ko na siya, feeling ko magiging full-blooded Potterhead na ako. Naging fan ako ng Harry Potter nung parang nanood ata ako ng buong series ng movies. Tapos na-realize ko, grabe, sobrang galing ni J.K. Rowling. Naisip niya yun. Paano niya naisip, diba? Kasi sobrang magical ng Harry Potter. Dinadala kanya talaga sa napaka-gandang Hogwarts. So, really love Harry Potter. Next one ay mahilig ako sa mga zombie apocalypse movies at saka mahilig ako mag-isip ng kung ano yung gagawin ko kapag meron ng zombie apocalypse na nangyari dito sa mundo. Siguro ang pinaka-favorite ko na zombie yung sa Walking Dead. Kasi makakatakbo ka pa eh. Hindi sila mabilis, kaya gusto ko yung Walking Dead na zombie. Pangatlo naman, mahilig ako mag-rap. Favorite ko yung mag-rap ng mga Eminem songs and other songs. Nung bata kasi ako, pero napanood ko si Glock 9. Nire-rap niya yung kanta niya, pero hindi ko na maalala kasi syempre ano pa ako nun, elementary. Tapos nakita ko, sabi ko, sobrang galing naman ito mag-rap. Tapos naalala ko, meron doon sa isang kwarto sa amin, meron doon ng tongue twister. Tapos, gusto ko mag-practice. Gusto ko gumaling katulad ni Glock 9 mag-rap. Tapos, meron doon ng mga tongue twister. Tapos, binibilisan ko. Hanggang sa, hindi ko alam kung paano ako na-introduce kay Eminem. Although, alam naman natin kung gaano kasikat si Eminem. Mas napunta ako doon sa, sa Eminem na mga music and Macklemore. Kaya, yun yung mga pinag-aaralan kong mga raps. Pero, ngayon, nagugustuhan ko yung flow ni Flo G. Kaya inaaral ko yung rap star niya. Sige, mag-sample tayo. So, I'm going to rap Lose Yourself ni Eminem since I'm a big fan of Eminem. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy, his vomit on his sweater already, mouth spaghetti, he's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs, but he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud, he opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's joking now, everybody's joking now, the clock's run out, thumbs up, over blouse, snap back to reality, up, there goes gravity, up, there goes gravity, choke, he's so mad, but he won't give up, that is enough. He won't have it, he knows his whole back's to this rope. It don't matter, he's dope, he knows that, but he's broke. He's so sagged, he knows when he goes back to the mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This whole rhapsody better go capture this moment and hope it don't pass him. Yay! So, yeah. And for the fourth fun fact about me, let's go deep down dun sa pinaka-personal parts. So, I was an aspiring performer or actress. Doon muna tayo sa performer side. So, nag-try ako mag-audition doon sa company dati ng SB19. So, I tried 3 auditions. Yung isa sa TikTok na ginanap, pero hindi ako nakapasa. Tapos, 2 sa YouTube, di din ako nakapasa. Meron lang papakita sa inyo na yun yung huli kong audition sa kanila. So, let's watch my audition.
Hi, I'm Crispo, and I'm going to sing Teenage Dream by Katy Perry, covered by Glee. You think I'm pretty without any makeup. up on, you think I'm funny when I tell the punchline wrong. I know you get me, so I'll let my walls come down, down. Before you met me, I was alright, but things were kinda heavy. Brought me to life now every February. You'll be my Valentine, Valentine. Let's go on the way tonight. No regrets, just love. We can dance until we die. You and I will be young forever. You make me feel like I'm living a teenage dream. The way you turn me on, I can't sleep. Let's run away and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. My heart stops when you look at me. Just one touch. No, baby, I believe this is real. So take a chance and don't ever look back. Don't ever look back. For my next performance, I'm going to rap Pac-Man by Michael Bars featuring Michael Pacquiao.
Let's go! Hey, hey.
When I'm in the ring, you call me the king. Think I'll become a little Pacquiao. I think I let man, you become in the hand, you be giving something you chat about. I'm in the ring in the bag. I never leave with a mask. I wouldn't come in the ring because I would go in with a wicked attack. When I'm in the ring, you call me the king. Think I'll become a little Pacquiao. I think I let man, you become in the hand, you be giving something you chat about. I'm in the ring in the bag. I never leave with a mask. I wouldn't come in the ring because I would go in with a wicked attack. I mean, only when I need to be, you know that I would deliver the energy. Every punch is accountable. I only come with a wicked intensity, give you only what you would have wanted. Something that won't confront you, know that the line is mission's running, but you can't tell me, you know what it's coming. Until you're productive, I'm making a hit, and I'll call you the what's that you are stomach. You just better give it and taking a lot of everything, but still use for nothing. Only in our division, I know they're living different category. Clearly untouchable, I'm indestructible, but you say this shit casually. I'm ready to conquer the panic, or understood what I simply meant. I'm ready to do it as it was meant. I hope you should know they did it for family. And now I'm going to dance Whistle by Blackpink.
Eto, kakantahin ko lang kasi makaka-copyright tayo.
So yeah. Hey boy. Bam 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 bam. Whistle. Bam bam. Hey hey. Everyone show up. Blow up. Bam bam. Make a whistle like a missile. Bam bam. Every time you show up. Blow up.
So, kung gusto niyo mapanood yung whole video, you can just search it. Nung time na yun, isa yan sa memorable na audition ko. Kasi nung time na yan, pandemic. Tapos, nagbagyo ata nung time na yan. Tapos, I am in the middle of quarter life crisis. Tapos, isa pa, pala, yung pagiging actress naman. When I was a kid, kapag nakakapanood ako ng heavy drama sa TV, pupunta ko dun sa mga kwarto namin. Tapos, iiyak ako. Like, for example, nung napanood ko unang beses yung Anak ni Vilma Santos tsaka ni Claudine Barrett. Tapos, ang galing nila umarte. Tapos, pumunta ako dun sa isang kwarto namin. Tapos, umiiyak ako. Bakit? Akala mo ba gusto namin na nasa ibang bansa ka? Ang gusto namin, yung nandito ka sa bahay, kasama namin. Hindi namin kailangan yung pera. Char! Hindi ako ready. Medyo siguro makikringe kayo dun sa part na yun. Pero anyway, basta ganun yung ginagawa ko nung bata pa ako. Minsan nilalako nga yung pinto kasi ayaw ko na makita nila na para akong baliw na nasa isang kwarto tapos nag-aarte. Minsan nahuhuli ako ni ate. Tapos nagugulat ako. Tapos pagtatawanan niya ako, tapos baliw na daw ako, ganun. It's one of the things na nagpapa-realize sa akin na I really wanted to be in the entertainment industry. But, syempre, as a probinsyana, syempre, lumaki ako sa Bicol, hindi siya option for you to have, hindi siya option para maging work mo. Kailangan mo kapag tapos, maghanap ng magandang trabaho. That's it. So, hindi option yung maging artista. Noong mga time na yun, hindi naman uso yung internet, hindi uso yung mag-upload ka ng video to audition or something like that. So, it was a long time dream, pero never ako gumawa ng something para matupad yun. Especially kasi, syempre, nag-aaral ako. Wala akong time to audition. Pero never mind, we are off the topic na. It's one of the things that I wanted to share. Di ba performer? Gusto ko nga maging performer o kaya actress. Hindi ako nahihiya if I wanted to do something. Pero kapag nakita ko na yung isang bagay na ginawa ko, doon ako makikringe na, bakit ko ginawa yun? Yung example na I also wanted to share to you ay yung nung college ako, nung 5th year kami, meron kaming parang week na kung saan nagsa-celebrate yung course mo. Meron kasi doon ng Your Face Sounds Familiar. Tsaka tawag ng tanghalan. Yung sa tawag ng tanghalan, sumali ako. Pero hindi ko na-preserve yung video nung nag-perform na ako kasi sobrang nakakahiya. Hindi ko kinakaya yung level ng cringe na nararamdaman ko nung napanood ko na yun. Wala kasi talaga akong hiya eh. Nung time na yun, ang pinaka-goal ko, maging best section kami. So, okay lang sa akin na mag-perform sa unahan. Tapos, ang kinanta ko noon yung, Ikaw ang bigay ng may kapal. Ni Regine Velasquez yata yun. Yun yung song na pinili ko. Kasi nung time na umuwi ako ng probinsya noon, nag-karaoke ako sa bahay. Tapos yun yung kinanta ko. Tapos sabi ng tita ko, tsaka ng mama ko, Hala, ang ganda! Ang ganda ng boses mo, ang ganda! Kahit hindi talaga siya yung go-to na song, kasi ang taas nun eh. Pero nung kinanta ko yun, ay, ang ganda ng boses ko. Tapos tawag ng tanghalan yung contest. So sabi ko, this is my time to shine. Tapos, nung nag-perform na ako, ang sinabi nung judge nun, kailangan may vibrato kasi yung kanta na yun. Tapos, nung napanood ko yung video, nakakaloka, sobrang nakakahiya. Ang dami ng sintonado, ang daming flash, kasi hindi ako napag-ready, tapos hindi ngayon yung go-to na Pero dinilit ko na yun. Wala nang copy yung mga kapatid ko. Kasi hindi ko talaga kaya yung cringe level. Tapos yung another pa, yung Your Face Sounds Familiar. So, ito yung may na-preserve pa ako na gusto kong dito lang sa channel na to, ipapakita ko sa inyo kahit nakakahiya. Without further ado, tara na. Tingnan na natin. So, ang una muna nating papanoorin yung ginaya ko si Beyonce. Be ready to cringe. Not-balance ko ang putik. Katawan mo naman, te. Pero sobrang galing ng mga cheer nila na sa akin dyan. Ang bigat! Grabe! Nagawa ko yun. Pero syempre, iba pa rin talaga kapag nag-perform ka tapos meron kang mga supportive classmates and friends. Pero nakakahiya. Pero syempre, i-share ko sa inyo kasi parang for you to get to know me better. Kinaya niyo pa ba yun? Kasi ako parang hindi ko nakaya. Meron pang isa, yung kay Sandara Park naman. Kasi, ito kasi yung unang stage, tapos pumili ata ng 5. Tapos nakapasok ako dun sa 5. Tapos, yung judges, yung pumili kung sino yung gagayahin. So, as a chinita, si Sandara Park yung pinili sa akin. So, tara. Tingnan natin. Be ready to be cringe. Part 2. Wait lang. Eto naman, syempre, 21 songs na yung mga kasunod. Sorry sa mga 21 fans, mga blackjacks. Kasi, syempre, nag-aaral kami nung time na yan. Hindi talaga ako nakapag-practice. Tapos, syempre, kailangan mag-perform. So, iba-ibang mga lyrics yung mga pinagsasabi ko dito. Kasi, I don't have time to memorize all of the lyrics. So sorry kung lahat ng mga lyrics mali-mali. Oh my God! Nakakahiya. Yung mga ano pala doon, kung ano man ang ginawa ko doon sa stage, nung time na yun, doon ko lang talaga ginawa yun. Hindi ako nag-practice. Yung mga steps doon ko lang talaga ginawa lahat ng yun. Kasi wala nga akong time to practice. So, yeah, college days. So, ayun, that was such a crazy part of the vid. Doon na tayo sa next, number 5. With all those crazy shits, with all those crazy experiences, I just want to share the number 5 fun fact about me is I graduated with electronics engineering course and nakapasa ako sa board exam. And now, I'm currently in the cybersecurity field. Ongoing din ako sa pag-aral ng offensive security para road to ethical hacking, ethical hacker. So, yeah. This is me, yung currently ang pinagkakaabalahan ko ngayon. So, yeah. Sana naman nag-enjoy kayo for this fun fact video. Siguro gusto ko lang din sabihin to all those aspiring performers or actress. Lalo na dun sa mga, syempre, kung meron mga younger sa akin na nanonood dito sa YouTube channel ko, just keep on achieving your dreams. Keep on believing in yourself. And minsan, kailangan mo din talaga i-accept na if it's not for you, then it's not for you. And syempre, you have to be realistic din kasi, diba, kapag tumatanda ka na, you have to have an income. So, pero kung bata ka pa lang, kung meron kang time to explore different things pa, explore. And so that you know what you wanted to do. And para din mahasa mo yung skill mo sa kung ano man yung talagang gusto mong gawin. So, ayun lang. This is such a great, crazy ride. So, I wanted to, syempre, open up din. Pero not all about myself here in this YouTube channel. Since I'm growing na because I already have 500 subscribers. Thank you. Thank you so much again for those people who subscribe and support my channel. And yeah, see you next video. Bye!